Okay, good afternoon, everybody. Sorry for the delay. Uh, where was I? All right, here am I. All right, thank you so much, everybody. And well, okay, the week started again after a long break. How are the students after the break? Good, energetic, lazy, lethargic? What's the feedback? Aparna ma'am, Shruti ma'am is always happy with the students.
Energetic, yeah. At
Do
least
you,
one class that I attended.
yes, yes. But do you all teach a different set of students, or we teach different set of students? Why are your students so happy and energetic? Good, good, good to hear that. So I think after a long break, it's nice to see you all. It's time. Where is Shazia? Okay, I'll check with her. All right. Great. Welcome, Malika ma'am, Alfia ma'am, everyone. What we have is quick discussions around. Now that we started, they mentally I've got 60 days now. Okay, if I'm looking at today as a today no session in terms of program, it's more of announcements. How are we going ahead? I'm just looking at my calendar. So third, that is what today is. We probably will end our program, the end of semester, by the end of the month. By third of say 10th of April we're ending. Mentally, I'm going to break it down and how we are going ahead with it. Today, I had a very good teacher for ICT for Tagore. And not that it was a great class. Trust me, he's Mr. Manikandan from Chennai, and the kind of very theoretical, but he was helping the children decode the NIS paper. So I was happy with the class where how does an NIS paper is crack? How do you solve it? Probably I will do one of these sessions with you. That is what I want intend to do today, to show you an NIS paper if I can. That is my objective number one. My objective number two is we have got a FAs coming up. 15th of Feb is where we will do our FAs. Is that correct? uh, uh, are you all okay with the FA paper to be now a physical paper where we do things like how we planning around? Is that okay with everyone? That's the idea. uh,
Yes.
Whatever you give them in terms of your content and topic, you will have to plan it that way. How an FA paper is, let me see if I can just take up one of the question papers and show you. Let me go to NIS website. So here I am. The easier way is, because my most of the time it does not, PDF don't open up for me. Can you see my NIS science and technology now, everybody? So that's my second announcement. The first is just that we are focusing on the NIS as an exam. Now this is exactly what gives night sleepless nights to Shruti ma'am. 32 chapters in science. We'll just take up any one chapter. Let's take up metals and non-metals. So what you see is in NIS paper, there are three kind of papers. If you start teaching them, Shabana ma'am, at some point you want to teach business studies the same way. You got a content, you got a text content. There's a lesson here, and then also there is a worksheet. Some may have worksheets, some may not have worksheets. Like in science, you have worksheets in the beginning, you don't have worksheets in the end. You see that? All of you can see my paper. So it's not about, it's how you do it. Just you take this up, you take this up, and you take this up. If also there is always going to be a sample paper somewhere. If it's not there, I'm going to pull up a sample paper and run through it. They don't have a paper right now. Okay, can I go back and show you the sample paper? Okay, question paper of previous examination. I'm going to download everything and share with you as a physical note, so you don't have to worry. But just secondary, right? Secondary paper of today. Enough papers now. Sorry, it just went on to a download file. Question paper here. How was your son's papers, Aparna ma'am?
Yeah, so two of his papers are over. The first was English and the second was arts, and both were good.
Good papers. Okay, good. Since I've got an English, since I was talking science, let me still go to science. Just the latest paper, perhaps. Just view this. I'm just opening it here. Now you see this, right? All of you can see this now, please. Yeah, just okay it and let me know. Okay, all right. Okay, and Shruti ma'am, your daughter had a paper as well. Yeah, you're still muted, Shruti ma'am.
She had French speaking paper on 30th Jan,
Okay,
and all the theory papers, written papers will start from 8th, that is on Monday.
okay, thank you. This is good. So how was the French paper? Good. It still is
It
French
was
and Latin to me.
10 minutes speaking, so
Okay. Okay, just are you very strict, mom, Shruti mom? Shruti ma'am? Just want to know.
strict mom.
I should ask your
No,
daughters. No?
no, I'm not at all
No,
strict.
no, I have to ask your daughter. Then I don't trust you. on that.
Yeah, sure.
Do that. Okay. No, no. This is an NIS paper. Just opening up for you. It's a 12 page because it's a government board, so you'll have Hindi and English together. And do not worry the content. What I want you to do is just download one paper before you prepare your FA paper. I want our FA paper this time will allow them the first time that we did. Will allow them to write the paper. And please, this is a forum where you will discuss and let me know, all of you, where do you think is it okay if they can write the paper without being an online class? This time I want you to give the paper. Uh, Tell the parents that this is a paper, it's not an open book exam anymore. I hope they can write it with the trust that they are not going to copy. Is it going to work, Shabana ma'am? Again, just keep yourself unmuted.
Yeah, yeah. I think it should be. Yeah, yeah. I think that's a good idea. Our author would prefer they giving a physical examination,
Okay.
and I think it's a trust we need to have on our kids.
Right.
So
Because I think if you are okay with it and all of you, I let me know. It belongs to everybody. Shazia, even for the Curie and the Newton, I'm sorry, you're the only one always with Curie and Newton representing, but that's what's going to happen. What I intend to do is by our final exam that we're going to do in in April or May. I think Shazia I don't know if she's joined or not. Yeah, in April and May that we're going to do a final exam. I'm going to get the students in one physical place where they come to write the exam. So it could be a series of 5 days where they're going to come. It could be even my home, or it could be Shabana ma'am, your home, or a WeWork if we get. But they will come and write the exam. That's my idea, at least for Tagore's. At least for Tagore and Mandela to some extent. So probably you, Alfia ma'am, you, Malika ma'am, I will need you to prepare a paper accordingly where they come physically. We will invigilate them. But at least for the higher 2 grades, we're going to do that. This is how the paper will be looking like. So I'm going to run the paper again with you. FAs, which is so I'm skipping the Hindi part, but now the instruction is the science and technology. Can you see it's 2.5 hours paper? Okay, 85 marks because 15 marks is for TMA. Tutor marked assignments. Is that the word? Right. Tutor marked assignments is what we do. Well, all questions are, you can see the format, which of them is not a unit of work. We're not talking about the answers, but the idea is it's a multiple choice, 2 marks. A lot of these 5 marks come in multiple choice, or rather, sorry, 10 questions come in multiple choice, and the question keeps going on. Then there is a 2-mark question. You can see the question format. That's all. I'm going to send you a physical, I'm going to send you a PDF of your respective papers. So it could be you for English, Alfia ma'am and Shabana ma'am. It could be you, Shruti ma'am and Malika ma'am for science. Please try to prepare right onwards, even Newton onwards, a format which is similar to this. I mean, see, it says a lovely question, a neat diagram of any one of the following. Mitochondria, Golgi bodies, lysosome. I would like you to prepare something on these lines. That's the expectation I have on a final FA. This is a final FA, and then we have an essay examination. Any questions, any suggestions, please let me know. I'm not going to do 85 question. It's sorry. Yeah, Shazia, you had a question. Go ahead.
Yes. Do we have the same kind of paper for lower grades so that I can go
Okay,
through it
I
and I
checked.
can make it
Yes,
accordingly?
yes, I checked for the lower grade. The point is, lower grade they expect the centers to prepare their own paper. You see, think just sometimes we think NIS is very complicated. Think of a CBSE school or ICSE. ICSE and CBSE do not give you papers, right? For 5th, 7th, 9th. They don't give you paper. The school prepares the paper. They give you an outline. So we are expected to prepare the paper. I am thinking, why use an outline which is outside this? Use the outline which is existing with us. Even if it's a Curie. Curie could be all tick mark. It could be anything, but we will do that. For that, you will have to give the syllabus to the children. You will have to, our question paper will be of 25 marks. Please remember, uniformly across 25 marks. Make sure the rubrics are same. This time I want to have a format which is very common. So out of 25 marks, if I have written something down, correct me and improve on it, because you all are real, on the ground teaching. Okay, improve on how 25 marks. I'm going to break it into 5 sections. Section 1, multiple choice. Section 2, 1-word answer. That gives me 10 marks. Section 3, 2-word answers. 2-word are 10 questions, 5 questions. So 2 words, 10. And section 4, I'm sorry, I said 5 questions. Section 4 is 1 5-mark question, or 1 3 and 2-mark question according to you. Decide. Or it could be 1 question with 2 parts into it, 2.5 marks, which is why I say 5 questions. Can I write it down for all of you to make it easy? And I'll put it on chat. So 25
I think
marks.
for different grades we should have different marking, because for Tagore we should have 5 MCQs, then 2 mark question, 2 or 3 2 mark question, then 3 mark question. Like the questions are asked in the question paper, they have 2 mark, 3 mark, and 5 mark question, and 1 1 mark question in MCQ. So
Oh,
that way we can go for Tagore.
okay. I think whatever you decide is I want a uniformity across my question paper. That is what I'm saying. So I agree with you, Shruti ma'am, that we should have the format according to it. The only my only idea was you can choose to, what you're saying is a multiple choice 5 question, one word answer 5 question. My section number 3 can
No,
be broken down.
one word answer is not required for Tagore because MCQ is there. So
Okay,
that
okay.
is only 1 1 mark question. For 25 marks, I'm just dividing the marks.
Yes, yes. Tell
And
me
then
again. I'll write it down for you. Let me go to English question also so time being. Please tell me again,
we
ma'am.
can have 5 MCQs, then we can have 2 mark question, 2, 2, 3, we can have 2 mark question, and then 4 mark question, we can have 1 4 mark and 1 5 mark also.
Okay. Can I to make it easier, Shabana ma'am, Alfia ma'am, and Shazia ma'am, this is the English paper. Run through it. I will allow you the freedom that way. How you divide your. I want a uniformity, but it's not that it should be like rigid uniformity. See, look at this English one. English one is there is no MCQ in English one, and I think English doesn't have an MCQ. Perhaps it's one word fill in the blanks. It's the option that they have got. So Shazia, you can use this. The answers are here. Can you see and, many, the, a, and then you can fill it in. Then again, it's one word answers, all one word goes in. Then it's frame your own question. So the answer is yes, India won the match against Pakistan. We don't play Pakistan anymore, by the way. But you have to frame a question accordingly. He deposited 20,000 account, whatever. I like this format. So if you can use this, there is a lot of comprehension. What Shruti ma'am says is correct. We don't want to have too many multiple choices and one word at the same time. Can you prepare 25 mark at least into 4 sections, and I'll allow you the freedom of 4 sections. Does it work, Shruti ma'am, and rest of you?
Yes, it will work because it will be
Easier.
MCQs 2 marks, 4 marks, and 5 marks. So 4 section is fine.
Okay, so I'm going to share one maths paper, one science paper. So that is for you, Shruti ma'am and
Yes,
Malika ma'am, right? I'm going to share one English paper that is for the rest of you. What I would love to do is we are going to prepare the questions even for SDG, Alfia ma'am. So we're going to do SDG across. We're going to teaching. Let's understand how much Curies and Wrights and Mandelas. We're very proud of that SDG program. So let's take up SDG also across a paper. Anything am I missing out on subjects? So we've got English, math, science, business studies. There is a question for your business studies. Shabana, you got a direct business studies question paper. ICT, I'm going to work on ICT. And then there is SDG. That is a paper. I will give you a social studies paper, Alfia ma'am, to look at the format for preparing SDG. So there are 6 things. Only thing I'm not taking is painting, but I would like painting. Aparna ma'am, they should answer and attempt a painting paper. That will mean some text also. Do any kind of text you like. I mean, prepare something on an NIS format, but anything you've spoken, anything you've talked. It could be Delhi art, it could be Renaissance art. You've taught them a lot of things. It could be just talking about rudimentary things like what happens when you pour salt on a canvas paper. I'm giving an idea. I will help you. Aparna ma'am, anyone has a question or concern, how to prepare a question, you can call me and Shabana ma'am. We can just guide each other and make a proper thing. So there's 7 papers again that we are writing for FA.
Lit
This
circle.
February or March?
Now Shazia, 15th, let's circle, I'll come to that. 15th of Feb, it's a 25 marks FA paper. If you think I'm pushing you too much, you can delay it by the 3rd week of Feb, but not beyond that. Because by the end of March, again, we are planning for essay. So I want Feb to be over with my FA. Lit Circle, Shabana ma'am, I usually put Lit Circle as a different class, but it's an English subject. So do you want to have a Lit Circle paper as well? Lit Circle is more to improve the language communication. And because essay was more for me a Lit Circle class, I'm not having a Lit Circle class.
No, I like to have a lit circle assessment too,
Lit
because
Circle
it's
assessment,
like
okay.
a feedback for me. I mean, it's like helps me to work better for my
Okay.
lesson plans. So I need
Okay.
a lit
Okay.
circle assessment.
Okay. But you had an essay. I'm still paying the devil's advocate,
No,
but you
no,
had an
no, no.
essay.
Even
No
though
essay
we
doesn't
had
work.
an essay, Yeah, even though we had an essay, I think I want to go for a lit circle,
Okay.
please. If it's okay with you
Yeah,
all.
yeah, nobody argues with Shabana, ma'am. Naam Shabana. We are okay
Okay,
with it.
thank you so much.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes. Aparna ma'am sent a private message. Sir, don't mess with Shabana. I know her from 20 years. No, she didn't. She didn't do that. She's such a lovely person. You know, she'll not even say no to this. So, okay, done. 8 papers for all of you. Right? We've got 8 papers. God bless my students now. We've got 8 papers from 15th of Feb onwards. Please, again, this time we are allowing them to write the papers offhand. That means none of your classes are taken away. You have, please put the question papers on only the Google Classroom. So I would want to know how often they're checking Google Classroom. If someone is vacationing and they don't have an idea, it's the issue with the child and not us. We'll all put up papers on Google Classroom and we'll inform the parents that you have to decide what time they write the paper. This time, no instructions from us. You want to write in the night, in the morning, you have a paper with you, you have time for the paper, and then you have to submit the paper by that time. Does it work for all of us? It's an FA, so we'll be easy on that part of it. You know, if somebody is absolutely brilliant and not so much in the class, you know that the child has got a lot of help. I'm okay. There is no exam, there is no awards this time, there are no medals this time. Only thing we want to know is how well they are doing their papers.
How much time will give for submission?
Okay, so now I'll go back to this paper, ma'am. You see, 2.5 hours is what they expect for 85 questions, right? In the main NIS main paper. This one is three hours for 100 mark. So I'm breaking it down to 25. I'm going to appropriately do it for, that's into 4, divide by 4. 3 hours divided by 4. I'm roughly looking at 25 minutes. Is that right? Sorry, 60 is 1/3. I'm looking at 45 minutes.
We should go for 45.
45, yeah, 45 minutes. Shruti ma'am, 45 minutes. Good. These are helping me. I'm writing down 25 marks paper for 45 minutes. And I'm also going to give an instruction to the parent. Shazia, 8 papers even for your queries. Is that right? We have
No, I
not
don't
added.
think QDs don't have ICT and they don't have
they
lit
don't
circle.
have
Okay, so
ICT.
6 papers, Shazia,
Yes,
for
yes,
your
six.
queries. It's good enough. It's okay. Newton also don't have an ICT, but I would like Newton to have an extra life skill paper. So 7 for Newtons.
They can have a German, just an oral something.
Oh yes, why not? That's good. Yes.
Agree.
I'll try to make sure Ruchi ma'am has something for German for them. Let's see if we can do that. It could be within the class German. I'll work it out. Okay, so that's all. As I said, today was more about our main summary of what we do. Finally, as always, we do first 10 days. Within the 10 days, we do a webinar just to promote and tell the world what we're doing online. This time on 6th of Feb, that is a Saturday. It's an optional thing. I wanted just to promote in your circle. We've got 3 wonderful guests for a webinar at 5 o'clock. I'll send the details. Just spread it across. That's all. And I look forward to have you all be part of the webinar. And when we have these conversations, it's more like a panel discussion. That's all that I have got. Any other suggestion, any inputs from your end? Or are we done with the
one
session?
more thing, like, sorry.
Yeah.
Can we also post the deadline as well?
Tell me again. I'm making a note of all of this.
Like, by Sunday, you have to submit the assignment.
Oh, yes. You will have these instructions in your Google Classroom itself. So I'm not saying that you all should have the same deadline, but our paper should be updated from 15th onwards. So it could be maths is being uploaded, English is being uploaded, SDGs is being uploaded. You keep uploading. We have this 5-day window where we upload. The moment you upload it, you have to call the students in your respective classes that see the paper's been uploaded. You got 3 days, solve it and send it back ASAP. 25th, I close my paper submission time, whatever. So you give your students 3 days for every paper. I don't want too many papers to happen, but it's independent now. Let's say 8 papers are uploaded within the 5 days. They get 3 days. They have to take up 1 day each and full week they can write the answers. Like 1 day for maths, 1 day for science.
Everyday classes
are going on. Nothing is changed. Yeah, it's a formative assessment. I want them to do it at the back of the session. Like it's more like they are doing. We have not done more rigor this year. This is a rigorous program. Of course, we'll have a fun. Hopefully, by the end of the month, I'm planning to get the students meet all of you in batches. So we'll have a small McDonald's party sometime, somewhere by the end of our FA. We'll celebrate our FAs that way. You know, they haven't met you, Shruti ma'am, in like only saw you and I saw how excited they are. So hopefully we can, you know, get the Tagores and get the Mandelas in one of these. In by the end of the FA, we'll do that. You can announce that in your classes. If your class collectively class score is better, you have better options. You know, if you're not very good, I'll go to Jumbo Vada Pav. If you're really okay, yeah, then I'll go to McDonald's. If they're really good, I'll take them to Pizza Hut, depending on how they score.
So one more doubt.
Yes, yes.
Since we have so many subjects, so we are going to upload this FA paper on 15th or from 15th to 20th, like that. Is there a
Yes,
time gap?
yes, ma'am.
All
I'm
the
giving,
subjects.
so 15th the Monday. I'm giving you a respective time between 50th to 20, which is the whole week. You're going to upload your assignment, but then you will allow them 3 days to send the answer. So, you know, your Tagore will just say, I also got an arts paper. I said, okay, I will speak to Aparna ma'am, but I need you to submit my paper because I uploaded on 20th, 15th. I want it by 17th or 18th. So they know that they can't just delay. But your cutoff date for submitting everything would be 25th, which is when your uploading time is 15 to 20, which is that whole week I'm seeing, 15 to 19th actually. And the submission time could be till 25th. And then we internally assess, and by 25th, the 3 days of Feb or the first week of March, we will have a physical meet with the teachers and the students. Fair enough. Please, you know, we have the
We
leaders
have
group.
too
Yeah.
many subjects uploaded on the same day. Suppose if I
Yes,
also
yes.
upload maths also, science also, Alifia ma'am uploads English, then business studies. So 4 papers together on the same day, then they won't be able to complete
No,
one.
on the same day. But what we'll do internally, you coordinate with your students. This time we're not coordinating with each other. For example, you uploading your maths paper, and Shabana ma'am is uploading her paper, and Alfia ma'am uploading. Let you ask the students, did you check the SDG paper also? It is already uploaded. So I will request, you can request Alfia ma'am, the Shruti ma'am said, you know, this is internal. You can, you know, you can tell the teacher, the Shabana ma'am, I'm going to submit your paper after 2 days because the maths is a tough paper. I have to prepare for it. But so this is okay, you know, because we don't have too many students, we can manage it. You can call each other and say, okay, Shabana ma'am, don't insist on uploading, don't upload right now. I give them 2 days and you upload. I know I'm not always very systematic, but that's how we work. We will be very flexible in how we work it out. Very importantly, but more importantly, when you upload, before that, the student should be aware of what your syllabus is, what they're preparing, because preparation starts from tomorrow. Preparation cannot wait till 20th. You see, 15th. You only got 12 days now from 3rd to whatever time you got. In fact, you only got 1 week, half of the week that is left from now, and the next week for them to prepare. If you think I'm pushing you too much, I can make my paper submission on 22nd. Is it okay? Is 22nd better than 15th? They need time to prepare, isn't it? Please tell me.
Yeah. Start from 22nd also.
22nd, agreed? Okay, all right. Malika ma'am says, okay, she's sighing a relief now. So 22nd, where the papers will be uploaded. Okay, fair. So any other thing question, we'll take it offline. But this is a journal instruction I'm putting on the leaders group and on the parents group. And let the students, Shabana ma'am, prepare your outline. Shazia, prepare outline. Aparna ma'am, I want an arts outline. Like I want them to crack something on NIS arts, whatever it could be. We'll work it out. Same thing with all of you, rest of you. Prepare the syllabus and give to your respective students. It's an FA1. Don't prepare too much of the syllabus. It could be even one chapter and I'm okay with it. I'm more concerned about the format of it. It could be the latest chapter you're teaching and the one you taught previously in the previous month of Jan. That's all. Yeah, Shazia.
So are we going to prepare the paper on Google form or on a PPT?
No,
And
you're preparing a physical Word document paper because you're uploading it. They are going to watch it
Okay.
and they're going to rewrite it. It's not online right now. As much as I love online, this is a physical class. You can write on a Word, you can write on a physical paper and take a snapshot. It's your choice. Preferably, you will do a Word document and you will upload the
Word
PDF.
document.
Yes.
Okay. Fine.
You can discuss the questions, you can discuss the format in your respective classes. The syllabus is very important. Discuss that with your classes. Those are my pointers with all of you, right? We will work it out. Same thing, Alfia ma'am, English, you let me know what we did. We prepare the English paper also for the Tagores. Fine, that's how we do it. Okay, perfect. Anything else? Is that good enough? right? So we're going to meet. Thank you so much physically after the FAs with the students. That's the promise we do to the students. But let's work on our FAs, and hopefully we see you all with the papers by the end of the week. They know what the syllabus and the format is. All right. Thank you, everybody. Bye-bye.
Okay, bye-bye.